Hi, everybody. I want to welcome you to the Huddle, our special Nurses Week edition. My name is Cheryl, and I'm a nurse educator at Shadow Health. And joining me today, once again, is Kumar from Shadow Health as well. So remember, it's time to huddle up, and we're going to share some experiences with you to help you navigate the world of screen-based simulation. So if you're brand new to Shadow Health or a seasoned user, this huddle's for you. Today's episode 6, and it's actually a very special edition of the Huddle. Today, we are just going to send a big thank you out to all the nurses, nurse educators, and student nurses out there, as today is the beginning of Nurses Week. So I'm going to go ahead and send this over to Kumar, and we'll go from there.
Hey everyone, so I just want to say Happy Nurses Week, and as I reflect on my career as a previous hospital nurse and then as a nurse practitioner, advanced practice nurse, as a former full-time nursing faculty and nursing program director, I just want to say thank you so much for all the wonderful things you're doing for our country and for our profession. And I look back on all the students I've taught and all the nurses I work with, and I'm just filled with a sense of pride that the people in my profession are providing the best care and urgently and desperately needed care to our country and to the world. And it's just amazing to think that the general public, whether or not they realize the person that's taking care of them in the hospital is a nurse, now they know it probably more than they ever have. It's just really a wonderful thing to think about. The patients don't always stop and say thank you, but we're not doing this because we need thank yous. We're doing this because it's our passion. And I just want to say thank you to all the nurses. We are so proud of you. And I'm just so happy to be a part of this group of wonderful, caring, professional people. Thank you so much, and Happy Nurses Week.
Thank you, Kumar. Well, you know, I reflect on my nursing career, which started 20 years ago, and it's taken many directions. I started out as a bedside nurse and moved into advanced practice, worked in primary care, and then into education, and now as an educator, a nurse simulationist, and working with the virtual patients and Shadow Health. I really feel like I'm able to bring all my experiences around to this position. But, you know, to me, thank you just doesn't seem like it's enough to say right now. You know, thank you, according to Merriam-Webster dictionary, is that polite expression of one's gratitude. And I have so much gratitude for what you're doing. But I think that in these extraordinary times when our nation is in the midst of a pandemic, nurses have been sharing their stories from the front lines, and our true grit and compassion and capabilities have been shining through like never before. And so I want to know, how do I express gratefulness that you have for nurses? And when for so long you've been the unsung heroes, we've been the unsung heroes of our healthcare system. And I think it really is about visibility, that we've always been there on the front lines. We've always been doing these jobs. And as one of the most trusted professions, it is now coming out more readily of the work that we're doing. And so, like Kumar, I just want to say thank you. You are being innovative, you are being brave, you are out there fighting the good fight every day. You are being able to make sacrifices at home so that you are not getting your own families sick when you bring home your coronavirus on your clothing, and you're taking all the precautions that you need because you understand what that risk is. And to me, it's public health has been moved up to the forefront of our everyday discussions. Things like infection control, hand washing, social distancing. You know, for nurses, this is our time. This is when we shine. And so to all of the nurses out there, the nurse educators, the advanced practice nurses, anyone working in nursing, maybe not working in nursing, who's been a nurse, I just want to say personally, thank you so much for everything that you're doing. And thank you for being brave. Thank you for fighting the good fight. Thank you for showing the country who we really are as a profession, and for sharing your stories. And happy Nurses Week, happy Nurses Month, happy Year of the Nurse, and try to take a few moments to care for yourself as well during this time. So that's all we have time for today. Again, this may be new to you in simulation, but remember that we here at Shadow Health are here to help you because we were once you. We were faculty and nurses that were just getting started in this. So thank you so much for spending time with us today. Remember, if you like this episode, don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe below, and so you can stay up to date. So until our next huddle, take care of each other, and happy Nurses Week. Bye, everyone.